I head the Canada-India Education Council, where I'll speak to business, which I have done before as the head of the Canada-India Business Council as well. I think India is a tremendous opportunity for Canada, especially because the similarity of synergies between the two countries. You must have heard this common law country, judiciary system, educated working class, same kind of social structure. But I think more than that, India has now become flavor of the month of the year and offers tremendous opportunities to Canadian companies in different lines of business. You can take it IT, you can take it infrastructure, you can take it automotive, education, environment, clean tech. So there is a lot of areas of commonality which I think we can work on together, and especially now when the Indian companies from India are flexing their muscle and doing mergers and acquisitions overseas, and there are a number of them that have happened. So I think in both sides there is a opportunity for doing a great partnership in every walk of business, and I think it's just a matter of time. What makes it more palatable is that the Government of India and the Government of Canada is signing a free trade agreement. They call it CEPA, Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, and based on that plus work done by the Canada-India Education Council, the CII, and other associations, I think there's a meeting of the minds which will now collectively propel this relationship to new heights. And I think the trade is pretty low right now, as we all know, about $4 billion. I foresee this going up around $10–15 billion in the next 5 to 10 years, because everything is in place and the rocket is about to take off.